One question about the reboot. What do you think about the reboot from MacGyver?
Oh, you mean the one that's been canceled?
I don't know. My Twitch chat is asking me, so I guess so. Yeah. What is your point on it?
Oh, I didn't like it, but that's an objective response. Because, you know, everybody has a right to things that I don't own. And so they asked me to be a part of it in some way. I read the script, I could see they were not on the right page as anybody else doing